Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have been into subscription boxes again, as you can see from my previous unboxing into this one now. So I already showed you what I got in my Allure box, and now it's Ipsy's turn. I definitely miss these. Let's take a look at what we have in here. Just don't want to flash my address, that's why I'm opening it in a weird way like that. All right. I'm so excited because it's been a while. I am very happy about the fact that we got a makeup brush. I honestly can never have enough of these. I don't know what the brand is. It's the BOD, I guess. Maybe it's in this little booklet. Oh, it is. It's the BYOD, Beyond Desire Buffing Concealer Brush. Oh, awesome. And it retails for $18. Then we have, now this box, I honestly can't remember how much it was, but I'll definitely put it somewhere up here in the video after I look into that. Next, we have the Chica Beauty Fiesta Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, that's exciting. It retails for $15. Very variable. Let me swatch a few colors just so you have an idea. Definitely very pretty. Okay. And actually, I do like this cute little makeup bag as well. Okay, we have 3 more products. Kiss and Smink. This is the Lip Aura in Peony. And retails for $20. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Let's swatch it. Very nice. Then we have the Big Ego by Tarte, and this is the travel size mascara, which, I mean, I love travel size mascaras. I don't know why, but they tend to perform better for me than full size. And you know, it's an easy one to just toss in your purse and just not have much, room taken up. And the last product here is the Alena Badro Loose Powder and Fair. This is lightweight setting powder. It is at the ultimate final touch to your makeup. Not only does it set your hard work, but it also leaves a gorgeous soft finish to your skin. Ooh, that's awesome. Tips: use a fluffy brush to sweep the powder over your face and set it to minimize shine. It retails for $20. Okay. Nice and soft. Oh yeah. Wow, it is very smoothing. Okay. So the Allure Beauty Box definitely had higher value, and I went by sample sizes. The Ipsy bag, they claimed that this one is $70 value. There are 3 full-size products of the brush, the lip oil, and the eyeshadow palette, and these 2 are deluxe size. And it seems like they included products that are a little bit more on the affordable side, like for example, this eyeshadow palette retails for $15. I mean, it is a mini size, but still. Whereas Allure Beauty Box included some very expensive products, like the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and that was full size, retails for $58. And then the Grande Lash Serum retails for $68. So I will be really curious to see what we get next month, whether they're going to actually continue providing these high value products or if it's going to be variable. So yeah, we will see next month. But for this month, I do like both of them, even though Allure's box value is a lot higher than Ipsy's this month, but I do like all these products nonetheless. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.